Working on logs, we're getting somewhat close. Alright, end of the day cleanup, and things are starting to look pretty good. Next week we'll be focusing on this area right here. It's pretty bad, so probably using full logs again. So we're now running into sill rot, and that is flashing right there. That was just up against the log instead of going under the log. If it went under the log, the way flashing should be done is put the flashing on, wrap it down, and then put your first row of logs in front of a deck down on top of it. That way if water does get in, it slides out and goes past the deck. But this is just put right up against the log, and it's causing the whole sill plate to rot out.